I'm impressed with this moisturizing cream from Anua. With its powerful combination of PDRN and hyaluronic acid, it provides long-lasting hydration and skin regeneration. The key benefits include deep hydration from hyaluronic acid, which keeps my skin smooth and supple, and skin regeneration from PDRN, which stimulates collagen production to repair and firm my skin. Additionally, the cream has a soothing effect, calming irritated skin and reducing redness. This cream is highly absorbent and moisturizing, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It also supports skin elasticity and anti-aging. One potential drawback is that dry skin might require additional products for sufficient moisture. I recommend this product to those looking for intense hydration and skin regeneration. For extremely dry skin, consider